Welcome to our 3-unit MAPS, a playground masterpiece designed to inspire endless fun and adventure. This expansive equipment offers a variety of exciting features, including the thrilling FRP spiral slide, the dynamic FRP multicolor wave slide, and the playful FRP crescent slide. Children can challenge themselves on the FRP step ladder, swing together on the two-seater swing, or engage in friendly competition with the X and O game. The playground also features square and triangle decks for imaginative play, FRP railing for safety, and charming peacock and honeybee designs to add whimsy. With a FRP entry gate welcoming them into this magical world, children will delight in exploring every corner of this dynamic playground. Crafted with safety and durability in mind, our 3-unit MAPS is designed to withstand years of play and create lasting memories. Transform your outdoor space into a heaven of fun and creativity with our 3-unit MAPS.